I received these hand warmers from Warmco. They are fairly small, so if I get a pen, you can see roughly how big they are. And they're circular, cylindrical shaped. They fit into my hand like so, as you can see. And they're really comfortable to hold. They're light, they're about 115 grams. I'll put the ounces on there as well. They are around 94 millimeters high by 3 by 3, so, or 30 by 30. There is USB-C, and there are 3 little lights over there, so if you hold down, then it will switch on with a red light, and if you press it again, it will go to 2, and then again 3. So those are the 3 levels of heating. So you've got low, medium, high, and then if you double press, it will, when it's off, it will show the power that's left. So if I do that, it's got 3 bars. So that will mean it's still fully charged. So if I put that on now again, and I'll put on the 3rd one, I'll let that start warming up, and you can see how I'm holding it. Battery power to charge them, it takes about 3.5 hours to charge. And then the indicator lights that I was showing you now, with the 1 light, it's 5 to 50% of power is left. 2 lights is 51 to 99, and then 3 is 100%. So not much difference between 2 and 3. So that's there. It comes with a nice carry pouch, so that's really cool. So those fit in there, and it also comes with the charging cable. So this charging cable is really cool because it comes with USB-C. It's got the adapter for USB-C as well, so you can have that on there, so you can plug that into whatever charger you've got, and then you've got a dual USB-C, so you can plug both of them in at the same time and charge them together. So what I've done is I've switched this one on, as you saw earlier. I've got a little thermometer temperature thingy mabobby here, and what I'll do is I will switch it on so we can see there. So that's on now. It's 22.3.5, so it's climbing up, and the temperature will be red there. So if I put this on now, so this is, I'm putting it up onto 3, so we can see now. If I put the temperature onto there, let's hopefully it picks it up, because it's not perfect to measure it, but it is going up. So 26, 27 degrees Celsius, 28, 29. So yeah, it is climbing. So this is getting warmer, and it is quite warm. So it is working quite well. I've got another pair of these, but a different make. I've got another video on that, and they work really well. I do enjoy them. They do make a difference, because when you're out in the cold watching football or whatever sport you might be doing, or going on walks and that, you can actually slot these into your gloves, so it can fit inside there like that and keep your hand warm, and you can then grip it like so. It's nice. I like the cylindrical shape because it warms up your whole fingers, where some of the hand warmers that you have are flat, so only the one side warms up, but this is warm all the way around. So I do like that. The only thing is, when you are holding it, you might bump the switch like so, or when you grab it, so you could be changing it between 1, 2 and 3, but it still stays on. It doesn't switch off unless you continuously hold it down, and then it will switch off. But overall, they're really good. I do like them. There is a link in the description if you guys want to buy one. And I just want to say thanks to Warmco for sending these to me. I am enjoying them because it is getting cold now, and my hands are getting very cold. So this does help a lot. And another thing is they are magnetic, so they stick together, which is really cool, so you don't lose them. Got your little pouch, so that can go in there. That's them. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, share it and subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next one. Cheers.